Okay, the shifter sits on the upper side of the drive shaft, so we need to take off this cover and loosen the 12mm bolt. Okay, so now you can take out the OEM shifter. Okay, after installing the shifter we got a little problem, so the shifter lever hits the bracket of the gearbox. So 3rd, 4th, 5th and 6th is no problem, but we don't reach the first gear and the second gear and also the reverse gear. So I expected that and do a little drill template. So we got the exact opening ratio in the gearbox bracket as the OEM shifter has. So I need to remove the shifter again and open the bracket hole a little bit, and then we should be good. That was the washer.
Like go in the rain.
Alright, let's check it out. Okay, to get it in reverse, I had to take off a lot more than I expected. So I ended up with removing the shifter 3 times and always take some parts off the bracket. But now everything works perfect. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and now the fucking reverse. For the reverse, I have to cut it all the way to the edge. That's a lot more than I expected, but it works. So the good thing with the spacers is that I can tighten it really tight. Here you can see the shifter attached to the gearbox. So now I have to on this dust cover again. Alright, dust cover is back on. Okay, to put the cover back on, you need to loosen the screws again and tilt it a little bit to the side and completely to the back side of the car so you can slip on the cover. Alright, the cover is back on, so let's take care for a little test drive. I think I should call it rattlesnake. I got some rattling noises anywhere here. I have searched for it, so just a prototype. Feels great. I have to get used to it because the short shift ways, but I'm pretty happy with it. Okay, I have done some improvements with the shifter, so hopefully I get rid of the rattling noises. So I added a O-ring here, and I also glue this part, and I glued the bushing and greased it, so there's no play in any parts now, and I think we get rid of the rattling noises.